Welcome to BizzTech, where digital innovation meets real-world impact. We're transforming how cities, industries, and communities interact with technology. Using AI, digital twins, and the photorealistic metaverse, we optimize urban planning, enhance industrial efficiency, and create immersive educational and collaborative spaces. This isn't just tech, it's the future, and it's happening now. Let's dive in.
Welcome to the next evolution of digital twins, designed for both industrial and city-scale environments. Step into a fully interactive digital world where you can engage with live data and connect with thousands of player-driven avatars in real time. Everything you see here is rendered through a web browser or mobile app, supporting even decades-old devices. In 2024, BizzTech set a global record in real-time 3D visualization with the launch of infinite-scale Gaussian splat environments. This breakthrough powers the world's largest known streaming metaverse, spanning many kilometers in seamless, photorealistic detail. For Ukraine, BizzTech is building the UkraineVerse, a nationwide digital twin powering next-generation smart cities and the industries within them. Combining advanced 3D environment generation with proprietary Agentic AI, the system understands and reacts to the most granular, real-time data. Designed for speed and scalability, our platform enables rapid onboarding of new clients and data sources. Here, real-time data is extrapolated directly from live camera feeds. Leveraging NVIDIA's Omniverse, our platform can visualize, record, and seamlessly rewind data across weeks or even months, bringing full situational awareness to life. Harness comprehensive agentic AI-powered analytics at the building level to enhance management efficiency, security oversight, and operational reliability. Enter any environment as your personal avatar to interact with objects and other users. AI avatars will respond based on your access level.
Is there anything of note today?
Everything is operating as expected. We have been unusually busy with 6 guest visits for Office 307, where power use is also 9% above average. I took the liberty of turning off displays in our inactive offices to compensate.
Mach auf jeder Etage das Licht aus, sobald niemand mehr da ist, aber erst ab 20 Uhr.
Kein Problem. Ich mache das Licht um 20 Uhr aus oder sobald keiner mehr auf der Etage ist, je nachdem, was später ist.
Navigate the environment and data with ease, either through 3D space or intuitive menus. Agentic AI brings device-level precision to digital twin environments, enabling smarter asset management, enhanced security, and streamlined operations. By integrating real-world sensors, the system can track user movements with full awareness of access permissions, ensuring secure and efficient navigation through physical spaces. In hybrid environments, smart displays bridge the gap between physical and virtual. Digital users can interact directly with those in the real world, enabling collaboration like never before. BizzTech's platform is built for seamless integration, connecting effortlessly with partner data sources and systems. Our agentic AI adapts quickly, learning to work with new infrastructures with minimal setup. The result is a dynamic, real-time visualization where data comes alive. Alerts notify you of unusual activity, and powerful automation tools allow AI curators to take action using simple natural language commands. It's the future of intelligent infrastructure.
We are BizzTech, and we'd love to hear from you.